Hi, welcome back. This is Craig Sign Cal. Today we're going to be going over a little installer and what happens when you install the iStation or Wobbly Save Manager. So we're going to go over here. We're just going to click install. As you can see, it's going to come up with a user account control prompt. You want to click on yes if you want to install it, or no if you do not. This is a specially modified version of the Save Manager file, as you can see right here. So now let's go back. Alrighty, so now we're gonna open up the file. We're gonna take this out now. Welcome to Wobbly Ltd Save Manager. Me and Lilmore made this. My GitHub page right there. Starting installation. And so now it's just taking these files right here. It won't have 10 files for you. It will actually have like 9 files. So now it started the installation. So now we can click continue. And I'll ask you, do you want to add a shortcut to the desktop? Now there's no other shortcut for anything over here. So I'm just gonna click yes. Alrighty. And now as you can see, it has been installed perfectly fine. The version number, actually you can go over here and look at properties just to make sure that I'm not messing with you all. So we go to details and we go over here, and this is just Wobbly Save Manager, and it's just a shortcut. And now we're just gonna go over and just open this file up, and then it'll just open up the Save Manager like normal. Now what's special about this version of the Save Manager is that it allows you to go forth and from iStation Z. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna choose iStation Z, and then we're gonna just click B for backup. You know drill. So we're gonna go over here, B for backup. And would you like to back up your save data? Of course, yeah, why not? So it's backing it up. So now it's just copying the files. You need it to be admin, by the way, because if it isn't admin, then guess what? You're not gonna have a good time because yeah, it asks to install into the programs folder. And then this right here, I'm going to change this at a later date. But it says, would you like to move your backups into the import folder? This is new. This is really, really important because normally you can't access, let me go to it, the programs file inside of Windows. See right here, all the way to the Save Manager. And as you can see, there's backups inside of here. So, let's suggest we're going to go over here. Would you move your backups to the import folder? Of course, yeah, sure. And this is just going to go over and copy these files into the import, right? Now, as you can see, they're not modified yet, all right? So, but just give it a few minutes or a few seconds. Refresh it. It should be done now. Now, if you didn't have anything in here before, don't worry. It's normal. So now that's just the end of it. This also works for Arcady Smith. Thank you for using the Wobblytooth Ltd Save Manager. Please follow me on GitHub and Wobblytooth Ltd on Twitter. It helps out a lot. You may now close the application. So now we're going to go back in, and I'm just going to show you all what the Arcady part looks like. Alrighty, so we're at the Arcady part. Well, we will be in a bit. Alrighty, now we're going to go to Arcady here. So you can all see arc is equal to backup slash import Arcady Smith save seeds. Type in arc, uppercase or lowercase, doesn't matter. So now it's going to load the Arcady Smith version of the file. Import Arcady Smith save seeds, or we can back it up. So let's just go to the Wobbly to the Save Manager, make sure there's no backup files inside of the Arcady. There's nothing. And there's nothing. See? So now that's good. So now we're just gonna go back it up. It's just gonna back up this. Yes, and we're gonna move. Would you like to move your backup to the import folder? Of course, why not? So now it's in the Arcady backup right here, save file.sav, and Arcady import. And you can always import your saves just by going over and just typing in I instead of B on the last window. And so yeah, that's just the installer and the modified version of the Wobbly Tooth Save Manager. I'm not going to be updating this a lot, but when I do, it's going to be pretty big. I'm going to fix a few words in there, and then I'm going to release that on my GitHub page. You can look at the properties, and it'll tell you what version it is. Crackle 298, yeah. Backs up some. Alright. Well, that's all for me. Crack the sign kill. See you all later. Bye bye.